well, we're tie-dyeing stuff today, but we don't have anything to tie-dye right now because someone left it in the
Okay,
house.
I will go get them!
I'm the mom in the friendship, so I'll be cleaning up our mess as we go. We are tie-dyeing! But it's
today is gonna be a hot mess express. I tried to be aesthetically pleasing in tie-dye. Well, I wasn't gonna give up because if you know me, I only give up on. We found Miss Food Coloring.
Oh, we're taking her off?
Yep, buddy boy.
We stripping. Garbage in here!
What? I don't care about the planet!
I broke it already.
You didn't break it, you took the lid off.
No, it's ice cream.
Can we get ice cream?
Can I be on your YouTube channel?
Steven, you have to sit down.
No.
Everyone unsubscribe and dislike her video.
Thanks, Steven. Stop! Bringing it closer to me!
My t-shirt contest. Do we need our ice cream break now?
I want ice cream. Run!
I'm going.
Run faster! Ice cream. I have a brain freeze. Oh my god! Ow!
Are we an item?
No. I do have one shoe on. And we go thrift shopping. Ah, you got the Velcro. Okay, we're actually gonna try to do this now. Half a cup of water leaking. Oh.
You stupid.
The gloves! We got gloves. It's so bad this shit happened.
Honestly, because I really hope you didn't want any more.
Now it's Cal. No tea. No tea.
Just give me some milk. Emily, can I redo your ball of tie-dye? Because honestly, I don't think it's
I
gonna
don't
work.
really care.
12, 13, 14,
18! I did that, like, make such a mess.
Because you're a mess. Okay, does that look like okay? Because pink is gross. I'm sorry. Bro, look what you're doing.
Oh my god! The smuff! I'm gonna get dye everywhere.
This is so light. I feel like it's
Why are you my friend?
because no one else will love you. Mine's literally sitting in a puddle of dye. I don't know if you know that. Literally, they're just gonna be colorful shirts. They're not even dye at this point.
I'm still gonna put tie-dye in the title.
Seriously, Gabe, what interested you? I don't.
I ask myself a question every day.
You even have
Look, it's a question. No, wait. Ready?
Emily!
Somebody. Is this gonna like kill me?
Yes. No, it's food dye. You just it, you moron.
That's right. I spelled my damn name wrong. Victoria. Yes, I'm taking this off. Oh my.
Did it work at all? No, you have to wash it with it.
No, you don't!
Yes, you do.
Oh my god, it kind of worked!
Oh, wait. Stop. Emily, stop!
Look at it!
You have.
Oh my god.
Yep. Oh, I'm actually so happy with that.
What?
Look at that!
Holy!
So if Emily listened to my instructions, her shirt actually would have worked, but she didn't, so she took the elastic out, then rinsed it, so the dye just went everywhere.
Can we just...
Oh.
Yay! Oh my god, you're so good.
The shower.
Wait, what? Drink it. Okay, I don't like doing outros, so bye. Bye.
Just let me cause your interest. You won't find a better than